Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku with 2 stars we have here in this additional of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, today is Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I will continue with the newspaper of yesterday. Yesterday, May the 15th, Saturday, 2021. We have 2 puzzles left, Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. First, I will solve this baby, and this one will be a number 2799. Alright, 2799. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26, I believe. Yes, 26 printed digits. 2 stars is always 26. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, but you cannot always say a 26 printed digits puzzle is more difficult or easier than a puzzle with 25. You cannot tell. If you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, then it will be difficult. Alright, so let's get started. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 and an 8 in this column. So no 2 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 and 8. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Alright, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 3 we have. 1 and 4. 1 and 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Then. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column with 3 in the second column. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright. Alright. How about how about we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. 9. Okay, in this big square, wait. We have a 9 in this column, a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. A 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. A 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9s in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. All right. 7, 5, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 4. And the 7, 5 and the 7. Alright. Let me think. 3, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left. The other pair in the last column should be the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 are missing. Yes, 1 and 4. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. 3, 5, 1. Let me see. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1. 4, 5, 7. Alright. 7, 5. How about the number 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row? So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 6, alright. Let me think. 3, 5. 1, 1. Okay. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in the first column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes, so the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, the middle column, there are only 3 boxes left for the 1. Should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. The 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. 2 boxes left in the third column. The third row. The 3 and the 5 are missing. 3 and a 5. And look, we have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 7. Alright. 1 number left in this third column for the number 5. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 4. That means 1 box left in the first column for the number 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column, the middle column. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Now I have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers 1 and 4, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, a great Sudoku. 2 stars, well, let me give this a 1 star, because I'm faster than 15 minutes. That's the time limit for a 1 star. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of this puzzle page in this additional. It will be a tectonic 1 with 1 star. See you later. Bye-bye for now.